Episode 8, Pre-Flight Check. 1. The video transmitter antenna must be properly installed before connecting the battery. 2. Check whether the battery power used is sufficient and healthy, and make sure that the battery is not obviously broken, deformed, or leaking. 3. Make sure the battery model is compatible with the aircraft and the voltage specification is correct. 4. Make sure the propeller is installed in the right direction and the screws and nuts are not loose. 5. Check that the battery plug is in good contact with the battery socket of the aircraft and that there is no looseness, dirt, or damage. 6. The remote controller is switched on and has been correctly bind with the aircraft. Make sure the receiver indicator light flashes normally or shows connected. 7. Make sure the takeoff location is empty and free of obstacles, away from crowds and valuables to prevent damage caused by accidental loss of control. 8. If it is the first time to fly, or after major upgrade, it is recommended to conduct ground test first to make sure all functions are normal before flying in the air. 9. These preventive checks can effectively reduce flight accidents caused by negligence and ensure the safe operation of FPV drone. That's all for this video. In the next episode, we'll introduce possible reasons for successful binding but failure to arm